From vast, meticulously cultivated orchards, the journey of perfect pears begins at dawn. Giant harvesters begin the journey, gently shaking the trees. A fleet of modern semi-trucks transports freshly harvested pears towards the processing facility. Precision is key as massive trucks deliver their precious cargo to advanced processing facilities. Colossal, automated systems prepare to gently, yet efficiently, unload tons of fresh pears. Thousands of pristine pears gently tumble into a cleansing water channel, ready for the next stage. The continuous flow ensures a steady supply of fresh pears for meticulous quality inspection. Thousands of pears begin their cleansing journey, propelled by powerful, state-of-the-art hydrojets. This automated system efficiently removes orchard debris, ensuring only clean, pristine pears continue the process. The continuous flow ensures every pear receives thorough and consistent hydro-cleansing. The pear's gentle journey continues, perfectly prepared for the next stage of production. State-of-the-art machinery precisely sorts each pear. Every pear is meticulously inspected for quality and perfection. Unsuitable fruits are gently removed, ensuring only the finest remain. This advanced system guarantees superior quality in every batch. Precision alignment systems guide each perfect pear, preparing it for the next stage of transformation. Enjoyed the video? Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more. This state-of-the-art facility uses intelligent automation to prepare thousands of pears per hour. Advanced engineering ensures each pear is perfectly positioned for efficient, precise peeling. Human expertise guides these advanced machines, ensuring quality and efficiency at every step. Precision machinery transforms raw fruit, ensuring efficiency and quality. Dozens of robotic arms work in perfect synchronicity, processing pears at incredible speeds. Automated systems ensure blades are instantly cleaned and reset for the next cycle. This colossal hall hums with the rhythm of automated perfection, processing tons of fruit daily. From skin to pristine flesh, each pear undergoes a transformation with unwavering precision. Precision machinery prepares each pear for its next transformation. Automated spears secure each fruit with remarkable accuracy. Cores are swiftly removed, and pears are then expertly divided. From whole fruit to flawless halves, efficiency at every stage. The journey continues for these perfectly prepared pear halves. Pears ascend to the cooking level, ready for transformation. Inside the vast kettles, a new batch begins its culinary journey. Automated systems ensure precise control over every cooking phase. The cooking mezzanine hums with efficiency, a symphony of industrial power. The journey continues, transforming fresh pears into a perfected product. The journey of transformation begins with a torrent of gleaming steel. Automated precision ensures every container is perfectly aligned for the next stage. The heart of the canning line, ready to receive nature's bounty. The symphony of automation prepares the stage for the product's grand entrance. Cooked pears and sweet syrup funnel into the colossal rotary filler, a marvel of modern engineering. Empty cans align perfectly on the conveyor, ready to receive their precise filling. With incredible speed, the rotary filler spins, ensuring not a single drop is spilled. Seamlessly, filled cans exit, making way for the next batch on this high-volume line. Pipes deliver a constant supply of syrup, while a conveyor feeds cooked pears, ensuring uninterrupted production. This state-of-the-art canning line operates with unmatched efficiency and pristine cleanliness. Precision robotics ensure each can is perfectly capped before sealing. Inside, high-speed mechanisms create an impenetrable, airtight seal. sealed cans now enter a monumental pasteurization tunnel, ensuring product safety and longevity. This automated journey through heat ensures every can meets the highest standards of food safety. Through this meticulous process, the pears are made shelf-stable, ready for distribution worldwide. From entrance to exit, every step is rigorously controlled, ensuring optimal quality and safety. Emerging from the tunnel, the cans are now safely pasteurized and ready for the next stage. Thousands of cans emerge, entering a powerful cooling mist chamber to finalize their journey. This multi-stage system ensures perfect preservation and prepares the product for final packaging. Precision cooling is critical, maintaining quality and extending shelf life for the premium fruit. Cooled to perfection, the cans are now ready for the final stages of packaging and distribution. Precision machinery applies labels at astonishing speed, a blur of silver in color. Each can emerges, perfectly labeled, ready for the next stage of its journey. Each label is a testament to quality, signifying the carefully processed product within. The meticulous journey of each pear culminates in perfectly packaged excellence. In the state-of-the-art packaging hall, robotic arms ensure perfect pear delivery. Each case is filled with precision, ensuring every pear product is handled with care. Automated systems ensure every can is perfectly prepared for market. This automated precision ensures every pear product reaches consumers perfectly. Precision machinery expertly folds the case flaps, preparing them for sealing. Advanced robotics ensure each case receives precise, critical information. Colossal robotic arms now orchestrate the final stages, stacking pallets with incredible speed and precision. Each layer is precisely placed, creating perfectly stable loads for transport. Layer by layer, the robotic arm builds perfectly square and incredibly stable loads, ready for distribution. Every case is perfectly aligned, ensuring optimal stability and efficiency for transit. Automated guided vehicles precisely transport pallets, ensuring efficiency and care. Each pallet is meticulously placed into its designated storage location. Advanced sensors guide these intelligent machines with flawless precision. A symphony of automation orchestrates perfect warehouse logistics.